Hi guys, it's Kevin from the Figaro Owners Club. It's great to be with you. So this video is all about detailing your Figaro and painting parts of it that for me personally, I think people that follow me and follow Belle and follow what I've done to it, it's quite easy to bring the car up to almost like it did when it went out the factory. So I'll show you what I mean. So what I've done here, as you'll see in the engine bay, I've painted all of this area, okay, and the back, the wall here, yeah, all of this, which this looks pretty manky on most cars, and over the other side as well. It just makes the car look wow. You know, you open up the bonnet when we're at car shows and that, and people think, wow, it looks like a few years old. Can't believe it's 32 years old. And look, this isn't a lot of work. I'll show you what I've done at the back as well. So this is another area that kind of irritated me, all in here, all in this gutter area. It's just really rough on a lot of cars, and it's quite easy to do. Now I've got another area that I've just noticed that is annoying me now, and that's painting inside here. This is inside the fuel door. I can't really live with this. This is horrible. So I'm going to have a go and see if I can get this to look, you know, a lot nicer than it does. You know, it's never going to be finished to this finish, because basically they used to spend money on these kind of areas, but I think I can get it to looking a lot better than that. So anyway, wish me luck. So this is how I do it. I've got the Figaro Shop Pale Aqua paint, which just comes with a little brush. This is the touch-up paint. So what I do is I pour that into another jar and just literally paint it on. Now I know this looks like pretty bad, but it won't be, because it dries flat, really flat, and then once it's dry I'm going to spray it with a lacquer. So trust me on this, and we'll come back to me in a little while. Right, that's the first part done. So I've got one coat on there. So that's had one coat. It's dried overnight, so that's looking pretty good. Going to give it one more coat, and then we'll put the lacquer on. So it's almost done, but what I did notice was I've only got one of these little bungs, and there's supposed to be two. As you can see, there's a hole here. So I had to order a pair from the Figaro Shop, about, well, silly money really, £11 for two of these, but I guess I need to put a little bit of WD-40 and put that in, so I'll do that next. So let's have a go. Pull that up, come round. Wow, hey, look at that, fantastic. So when I'm filling up the car now, people look in now, it looks even newer than it did before. Cheers.